Today's Google Classroom is about counting syllables. So each slide has a picture along with the word that matches the picture underneath. We're going to work with this picture and the word to see how many syllables are in the word. So I'm going to do taco. Ta-co. I can see that my jaw dropped 2 times, or I can tap the word ta-co. I'm going to take the bunny in the corner and I'm going to put it on top of how many syllables I just heard. Ta-co has 2 syllables, so I'm going to pull the bunny on top of the 2. Let's do another one together. Here's a picture of a pizza. The word is pizza. I'm going to see how many times my jaw drops when I do pizza. Pizza. That's 2 times. I'm going to also clap it. Pizza. 2 times, so this word has 2 syllables. I'm going to take the bunny and I'm going to pull it over top of the 2. You go ahead and figure out what the rest of them are. How many syllables does each one have? When you're all done, go ahead and turn it into the Google Classroom.